everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Emmanuel Kapongnama. I'm from Biology Education of Mula Warman University. I made this video to fulfill English for biology assignment from my supporting lecturer. Her name is Mrs. Rukoya Nasution. The title of speaking is Marine Debris. Waste is all form of waste generated from human and animal activities which are usually solid and have generally been discarded, are not used and are not longer needed. Garbage can simply be interpreted as something that cannot be assigned again, it should be. The characteristics of waste are 1. Waste materials. Materials that are not longer used or materials that have not been taken in the main part. 2. Is a material that is not useful. 3. Waste materials that are not useful and cause many problems of pollution and disturbance in environmental sustainability. Marine waste is solid material that is a product or process directly or indirectly, intentionally or unintentionally discarded or left in the marine environment. Marine waste is generally produced from anthropogenic activities. This is a direct threat from marine habit, human health and safety of navigation to causing serious loss of socio-economic aspects. Types of marine waste are divided into two, namely 1. Organic waste, consisting of ingredients making up plants and animals taken from natural producer from agricultural activities, fisheries or others. 2. Non-renewable natural resources such as minerals and petroleum or industrial process. There is also the size of trash in the sea which is classified into 5 parts: mega debris, macro debris, meso debris, micro debris, and nano debris. Marine waste source based on anthropogenic activities and natural influences, namely 1. Beach tourism. One of the factors increasing sea trash is the increase in fixed tourists who travel on the coast. 2. Fishermen. Fishermen activity is one of the factors increasing the waste in the sea water. This is because many fishermen deliberately dispose of unsafe fishing gear at sea. 3. Mainland. Rubbish in the community which discarded can be ended at the sea. This is because the garbage will be carried away by the flow of the rain which then enters the river and will be carried off the sea. The impact of marine trash is polluting the sea so that the sea becomes dirty, the sea ecosystem is disrupted, and many fish die. Ways to deal with marine trash include 1. It is time for us to use a healthy lifestyle. We must acknowledge that correct waste management is very influential on our quality of life. 2. For prevention, it is time for the government to firmly and correctly implement the law on the waste management in order to minimize the potential for waste input due to the community's habit of disposing garbage to the beach or river. 3. The need for groups or communities to carry out campaign actions caring about the coastal and marine areas in the various layers of society to monitor waste disposal and discuss with coastal communities about how to handle waste. 4. The need for socialization in the world of education regarding waste management knowledge. 5. The need for routine cleaning activities along the coast by the community together with the government. Respect their work by not throwing away the garbage. Does not true fools always blame the government. Thank you.